Hey everyone, welcome back. Let's solve LeetCode 1762, buildings with an ocean view. So there are n buildings in a line. You are given an integer array heights of size n that represents the heights of the buildings in the line. The ocean is to the right of the buildings. A building has an ocean view if the building can see the ocean without obstructions. Formally, a building has an ocean view if all the buildings to its right have a smaller height. Return a list of indices, zero indexed, of buildings that have an ocean view sorted in increasing order. Okay. So for example, with these building heights here, notice how since one is at the border, there's nothing there to obstruct it, right? So it can clearly see the ocean. 3 can see over 1 because it's taller, so that could also see the ocean. And that's at index 2, so that makes sense. 2 is smaller than 3, right? So the building with height 2 can't see over building with height 3. Building 4 can see over all these buildings to the right, okay? Look at this example here. This is valid, this is valid, this is valid, this is valid. Over here, this is valid, index 3, but this is height 2 is smaller than height 4. This height 3, it is bigger than height 2, but it's still smaller than height 4, so that won't work. And then this clearly won't work. So let's look at these constraints. Nothing too crazy with edge cases. Let's look at an illustration to have a better understanding of this problem. So notice that this guy can see the ocean. This guy can also see the ocean. This guy can't because this building is in the way. This guy can also see the ocean, right? This can see the ocean, this can see the ocean, this can see the ocean, this can see the ocean. This can see the ocean, this cannot because of this building's in the way. This cannot because of this building's in the way. This cannot because of this building, and these buildings are in the way. All right, cool. So the best approach is to think actually working iteratively in the reverse direction, right? So we need to write a for loop that goes this way. Essentially, the logic is we'll keep track of a max height, and a building can never be less than 0, right? Unless it's like a bunker or something underground, but it can never be less than 0. So as we iterate through this way, the max height will get updated with each building. So max height is 1, right? If this guy is greater than the max height, becomes 3. This guy is not greater than the max height. This guy is, so max height becomes 4. And those indices happened at index 3, 2, and 0, right? And I can double check that over here. Yep, 2, 3, and 0. And moving on, we have this example here, right? So this guy can see, this guy can see, this guy can see, this guy can see, right? Max height just gets updated each time here, right? First, it was 0 when we start, then it became 1 because of this, then it became 2 because of here, then it became 3, then it became 4. Over here, max height always starts at 0, right? It becomes 4. We're working this way, right? 2 is not bigger than 4. 3 is not bigger than 4. 1 is not bigger than 4. So we just return that index. So the code is very straightforward, right? So define ocean view, and then we'll initialize our max height. So max height, we'll just set it equal to 0, right? And then we have a buildings array we'll be returning. And let me finish the signature here. So we'll have nums. All right, looking pretty good. Okay, great. So like I mentioned before, we want to work this way, right? And let's get n is equal to len of nums. So n is equal to len of nums, just because inside of the for loop, I don't want it to be messy, right? Length of nums minus 1, right? So n will be here. Okay, great. Now for I in range n, right? We're going to work backwards. Okay, we're going to ask ourselves if nums of I, if this 1 here, right? If this is greater than our max height, okay, so greater than max height, and it is, right? We're going to say buildings append. We are going to append I, right? Because I is equal to 3 right now, right? We're working backwards, okay? So we append it to buildings. So buildings will have a 3 in there, right? And we need to update max height. So max height is equal to nums of I. All right, great. So then we continue on with our loop. We get here. Is this guy bigger than max height? It is, right? And let's also label max height. So max height was 1. Now it becomes 3. Buildings inside of it now will have 2, right? The index. And then we continue on here. This guy's not greater than max height. This guy is greater than max height, right? So we append it. So we have a 0 and max height becomes 4. And same logic here, right? So we'll just have 1 and then 2, 3, 4 over here. We'll have 4 and that's it. And by 4, I meant we'll put the index, right? We're appending the indices, okay? So over here, same logic. At index 3, max height becomes 1, so we append it. Index 2, max height becomes 2. Index 1, max height becomes 3. Index 0, max height becomes 4. And last but not least, we're going to actually return it in reverse order, right? Because they said they wanted it in increasing order. So return buildings, but in reverse. And that's the solution. The time complexity is big O then space. We're not using any extra memory here, so it's just constant. That's the most efficient solution. Let's go ahead and solve it. So max height is equal to 0. Buildings is equal to this array here. And then n is equal to len of nums minus 1, right? We want to start at the end, the last element in the list. So for I and range, remember we're working backwards. For I and range, n to -1, exclusive, right? And then work backwards by 1 each time. That's the last parameter. If nums of I is greater than the max height, we're going to append to buildings, right? The index, right? Okay. And then we're going to update our max height to be equal to nums of I. And then we need to return the buildings list in reverse order. All right, let's test this out. Make sure it works. Nums is not defined. Okay, so I need to be using heights. All right, let's check it out. Okay, submit. All right, great. And that's how you solve LeetCode 1762, buildings with an ocean view. Whatever platform you're on, subscribe, follow, and I'll see you in the next one.